faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Can you stop, Bob? Tyler, stop the tablet.
Hi guys.
Tyler, come say morning to the faves. Sarah, say morning. Say morning. Come.
Morning.
They can't see.
Morning.
You're too little, man.
Today is day
One.
Day
two.
two.
And we are all dressed and heading out for a little adventure today. So of course we're gonna take you guys along. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the family. We can't get enough of this background. Look at this background. So we're heading out right now. So let's go. Let go, let go, let go. Let me give you guys a morning view. That's the morning goodness.
So much bird.
Yes, because we're in the mountain. Look
Mama,
at
there's
that.
a pool
view.
here.
Yes, we went to the pool yesterday to look. See the pool all the way over there in the corner.
I do.
Look, all the way over there where our camera is pointing.
Water.
You're too funny. Go inside. We're gonna leave now.
Is that?
You can hear the river gushing from here. Anyway, guys, this princess and I are heading out right now. You ready for today? You ready for today? Let's show Faves your outfit. Let's show Faves your little cute outfit. Look at her. Hi. One foot of pants up and one foot down. Let's fix this pants, girl. She wanna go inside. You guys, so we're walking down the street, going on a few adventures. Look at these two. Everywhere they go, they bring their foolery. Sarah and Tyler, they can't stop. And Sarah should be going taking her nap right now. Look at her. She loves the foolery with Tyler. Look at you. I don't know if you guys can hear the little bugs in the bushes.
Santa tree.
Christmas tree. Where you get Santa tree from? Santa tree. He's too funny. So yeah, it's so quiet, peaceful. Look at these two. Sexy. Sexiness I need for my money. You're selling some? You're giving it for free? Me don't want it. That's all too easy. Me don't want it.
One more time.
First adventure of the day. I'm up first.
Mini golf for mini boy. Yeah. You give one ball to mama. Which color you want, Tyler?
Tyler, don't put them down there. They'll run down the hill.
I want to kiss Mama yellow,
I think you're right.
white, and red.
Alright.
So we
Let's
have
see
to
who's
play.
gonna make the hole. You think Mama gonna make the hole?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Alright, let's see. Back up. How do you think I'll make the hole?
In one?
Yeah.
No.
You can't have little confidence in me.
No,
realistic confidence.
Yeah.
I need a little more power.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's see how many tries I'll get to.
No, no, no.
You won't make it, Tyler, don't worry. Stu, what you can do is to make it just a little bit out of the patch. 7.
Oh, 7. Now it's your turn, Papa.
Let's see how many tries Papa gonna do. Left hand? How is that possible? You're not a left-hander. You're not a left-hander, babe.
I'm a left-hander.
You're a left-hander?
Yes, is this one a left?
You're too funny, Ty. Mini golf. So it's a mini golf trail. So we have to follow and find all of them. This is one here, and more up there that those people are.
Mama,
Yeah.
see yellow.
Yeah.
Try. All right, I see you.
Push for. Wow.
Whoa, go Ty.
Voila.
One try.
You're better than Mama.
Good job.
Good job, Ty. Good job, Ty.
Baby, it's in your house.
From where?
You can edit that. You can edit that. You can edit. Come, show the ball. Come, show the ball. There's no.
No, I believe you, but right now my daughter is crying. Guys, I don't have no time to see that.
You all saw that. He went here, he went here, he went down here, and the ball is here.
The boys are down there. I just lost my ball down in the gully. You did it? I know, but it still went in? Okay, good job. You guys, we haven't talked to you guys since we finished playing. I think table tennis was the last time you guys saw us. Now we got home, we rest a bit, and we're heading out. Where are we going?
Get to eat.
For dinner.
Find somewhere nice.
And because we're in the mountains, it's cold.
Oh, yeah.
Sarah is in her hat and she's teething like crazy. Trust me. On this trip is lone teething.
Okay.
Ready to go eat?
Walk one.
Ready to go eat?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right, guys. So we're heading out to find a restaurant down the street. So we'll see you guys when we get there. having duck, zucchini salad here, and a little potato there, and salad. Tyler's having his usual, never changes, I love his smiley face. And Babe is having beef.
With mirti on top.
Okay, I want to taste it. Okay, so this restaurant we went, it's called Le Yeti. Babe said this animal is in 1010. Is 1010? 1010. For anybody who know the cartoon 1010. So if you're in Isola, this restaurant is bomb. Dinner was amazing. So yeah, finish eating. Bye Yeti, you're scared though. He's so scary.